Hello student, today we are going to see class 12 physics MCQ sample paper solution. The question is from potentiometer. Okay, question number 37 we are going to discuss. Okay, first we'll see what is asked. Okay, actually the question is asked about the potential for 6 meter. Okay, so they are given the balancing length. Okay, first we'll solve the primary circuit. Okay, the current flowing in the primary circuit. Okay, EMF is there, resistance for this is 480, this is 10 meter wire, this resistance is 20 ohms. Normal solution only. EMF is equal to IR. Okay, I want what is current. Current is equal to EMF divided by R. So what is EMF 5? What is R? Total R. Okay, total R. It's going to be 480 plus 20. 480 plus 20. Okay. This is going to called as 500. Okay. So I we can get as 5 divided by 500. Okay, 5 divided by 500, what we can get current flowing in the circuit? It's going to be 1 divided by 100. It's going to be called as a 0.01 the ampere. Okay, the current is flowing 0.01 ampere. It's flowing in the circuit. Okay, now we'll find what is a potential gradient. Okay, so it is 10 meter length. No, actually the length is here, start from 0, here it's going to be 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter length wire. Okay, so what is about 1 meter? So the current is flowing in a see a 10 meter, the voltage is applied. We have to find the voltage at 10 meter. Will take it. Okay, current into resistance. Okay, we can have the voltage across the 10 meter wire. Okay, what about the current? There 0.01. What about resistance? 20 ohms. Okay, the answer will get 0.2 volt. Okay, 0.2 volt. It's for the 10 meter. Okay, this is for voltage across here, from here to here. We'll take it here. It is a P. Here it is a Q. The voltage across PQ is equal to 0.2 volt. Okay, now totally 10 meter. No. Okay, if you want 1 meter, the voltage across P2 just going to be called as 1 meter, just 1 meter. 0.2 divided by 1, that's called volt per meter. Okay, it's called potential gradient. Okay, we can have the K is going to be called as a potential gradient, otherwise you can take it E also. Okay, so potential gradient is how much? Volt per unit length. That's going to be 0.2 volt per sorry, it's going to be 10. Okay, 0.02 volt per meter. Okay, this is called potential gradient. Okay, now we got at 1 meter. Okay, this is for 10 meter. Now I got what is for 1 meter. Okay, if the question is asked about 6 meter wire. Okay, the circuit is going to be complete now. So some voltage I applied, the balancing length, the galvanometer get balanced at 6 meter. Okay, 6 meter the galvanometer is getting balanced. Okay, so now what is the voltage across 6 meter? It is for 1 meter. No, into length. Okay, that's going to be 6 meter. 0.02 volt per meter into 6 meter. Meter get cancel. Okay, so finally I will get this to multiplication 0.12 volt as a voltage across the length of 6 meter. Okay, so this much voltage will get balanced. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.